What is up, everybody? It's been a while, but I wanted to do a quick video on my Giulia, on the full Aero kit, body kit. I'm not sure the right terminology, but I guess we'll go with Aero kit on my Giulia. So the front lip, the side splitters, the rear splitters, as well as a spoiler. Wanted to talk about all of those. So a lot of you ask about the front lip. I've provided links in my previous videos. I've also provided links in comments, but I wonder if you guys could guess where this one is from, for the ones that don't know. It is actually a eBay front lip. I got it actually because I wanted to test out a front lip, because of the area where I live. There's a lot of bumps, potholes, hills, so I wasn't sure. Well, actually I didn't want to spend a few $100s or more on a front lip and have it just ripped off or damaged. So I went with the eBay front lip. It was like 40 bucks or something, which is crazy. It looks really good. Most of you guys agree as well. And surprisingly, nothing happened. Like, I've never scraped the bottom or anything, but I'm not gonna end up switching it out because it looks so good until it falls apart. But it's been holding up. It's been on for like a year plus. Next up, we have these side splitters with winglets, and this is actually custom made by a company called SF or S Factor Fabrication. I found them on Instagram, and it looks really good. They're really responsive on Instagram, and they give you a few different options. It depends on how thick you want it, thin you want it. Do you want it wrapped in carbon fiber? Do you want the winglets or not? So there's a few different styles you can get. I forget the exact one. I think I went with the 1/4 inch thickness plus winglets. There was fast shipping. It came really well packaged. Surprisingly, they're super heavy, so I don't think it would make sense for a track if you're trying to reduce weight. I don't know exactly how much they weigh, but they'll weigh heavier than I thought they would be, because they're made out of good material. It's not any cheap stuff. Next, we have these corner splitters, I guess they're called, and these are actually from eBay. I personally didn't see any sense in spending a bunch of money on these corner small ones, so I went with universal eBay ones, and they fit really well and they look really good. They look legit, like another like custom made piece, and so I'm super happy with them. I'm gonna keep them on until they fall off or break or whatever. But I ended up only taping them like with 3M super heavy duty double-sided tape, and I'm gonna drill it once I get the car on the lift. But for now, just the tape alone has held up really well. Power washes and all different types of weather has held up really well. So you know, I'm not in a rush to screw it in, so we'll see. And lastly, we have the spoiler, carbon fiber spoiler. This is from, if I remember correctly, Madness Auto. My wife bought it for me as a present. And again, held it up with the tape that it came with. It's held up really well. It's not fading at all. It's been on fast speeds, it's still staying on. It's been on all types of weather. It's still on there really firmly, and I'm super happy with how it looks. I mean, look at it, it's beautiful. And that's it. I mean, that's my full Aero kit, body kit, whatever you call it. Super happy with everything I've purchased and everything I have on. It looks sleek, sporty. I mean, overall it just looks sick. So I'm gonna keep everything. I don't think I'm gonna do anything else to the body. You know, next up is engine performance updates, but that's been delayed for a while and probably gonna still stay delayed, but we'll see how that goes. I'll also post a link to Factor Fabrications. They also fabricate side splitters for a bunch of different cars, the rear splitters, the front splitter, front lip. So add them on Instagram, reach out to them via DM, and just go from there. If you haven't watched my other videos, please check them out. Also, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like, and comment. Share with your friends, share with whoever you want. Also, forgot to mention, huge shout out to L&M Body Shop in Springfield, Virginia. They installed my V-light, front lips, side splitters. Also went there for body work and so on. They're super knowledgeable, super professional, and I highly recommend them. I don't think anybody else in the area does it better than them, to be honest. So check them out. I'll post a link to their website and have all their information there. So yeah, check them out.